What if every new employee triggered their entire onboarding process automatically, within minutes of joining? Hello, I'm Rahul Joshi. In this video, I'll show you an automated onboarding system that monitors new joins in Monday.com, creates onboarding tasks in Asana, sends welcome emails, schedules Zoom intro meetings, and updates records, all without manual follow-up. Step 1. Employee Join Monitor Trigger Schedule. This trigger runs the workflow every 1 minute. It controls how often the system checks for newly joined employees. Step 2. Fetch joined employees from Monday.com. This node pulls all board items where status equal to joined. It collects the latest employees ready for onboarding automation. Step 3. Filter. Skip already processed employees. This node checks a status/text field on each employee item. If the employee is already marked processed, the item is skipped. Step 4. Create onboarding task in Asana. This node creates a task in Asana for the new employee onboarding checklist. It sets task name, onboarding, assignee plus project, due date equal to current time. It also writes a checklist style notes block for HR execution. Step 5. Send welcome email to employee Gmail. This node emails the employee directly using their email from Monday.com. Step 6. Schedule Zoom intro meeting, Zoom. This node creates a Zoom meeting for the employee intro call. It sets topic, welcome and team introduction, duration 30 minutes, start time now plus 1 day. Generates the join link needed for the next step. Step 7. Write Zoom join link back to Monday.com. This node updates a Monday.com link column on the employee item. It saves URL, Zoom join URL, X label, join intro call. Makes the meeting link visible inside the employee record. Step 8. Mark employee as processed, Monday.com. This node updates the employee item with processed. It locks the workflow from reprocessing the same employee in future runs. This is how structured automation eliminates onboarding delays and operational friction. If you value scalable, execution-ready systems, subscribe. I'll see you in the next build.